All right, everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and maybe you caught a little glimpse of how I made this amp rack and what it consists of. So each one of these runs are the exact same length, running all the way from the amplifier on the positive side, 12-volt side, and as you can see back here, they're fused up with the custom bus bar. So in saying that, all those wires are the same exact length. I just had to maneuver them around. You can see it in my time lapse to where I was actually making this amp rack. It is an actual 3-piece amp rack. So it came in at the bottom. I made it across the back, and then I placed and crack jointed the front bezel piece to lock the batteries in. It was something that I had to think about how I can make this amp rack work for me, using the least amount of wire, and stay in the budget that we're in. Reasoning being, you can get, a little pricey on the price tag, because this VFL wire, it's not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. But it's OFC, and it bends real good. It's great wire. I love using it, and I'll continue to use it because I haven't had any issues out of it. So what I did was I ran the same length ground wires. We went ahead and made a distribution block here, and then grounded it through the chassis of the car all the way back down to the frame with some more ground leading to that bus bar. So right here, what I'll do is over here tomorrow, I'll go ahead and make the side filler amp racks for my VFL 4-channel. It's 2,000 watt, and we like using it. It's pretty strong and pretty clean for what it is. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 mids and highs. So yeah, that amp right there, I'll do some wiring up, and it's some stuff I need to wire up. But basically what I'm using is all 8-ohm speakers. So once you get down there to that and wire them all in, I should be right around a 2.7 per set, whatever I come up with, and we just go from there. If I gotta add some more tweeters to knock it down, but tweeters really don't add or take away a lot of impedance. Now, if you run enough of them, it will, but the bigger ones, they will read, but the smaller tweeters, it doesn't hurt the impedance too bad. So, but I need to stay in that. So it's already hot out here, and I don't need this amplifier, which is going to be this one right here, shutting off on me. So hopefully I can finish that up tomorrow. I do appreciate you staying tuned in my channel. This build right here will house also 2X12s. I'll get started on the box tomorrow, and I'll give you a sneak peek on what else I got going on, because I'll run the grounds to the batteries. I already have the seats out. It's a couple other pieces, and I need to make that rear deck. So, but you got to stay tuned. This build right here, it took me about 8 hours to go ahead and complete the amp rack and mount all the batteries in. And this false floor, this carpet kit right here is just, cardboard traced out to the shape of the trunk. And I was gonna get all those shavings up out of here, but I got a big ass box I'm putting back there, and you ain't gonna see none of that, no way. But for right now, it's nice and clean. But like I said, those batteries had to be mounted in this car a certain way. Reasoning being, I needed to make sure it's more balanced, instead of these older cars tend to lean, and you put more weight on one side, and we don't want this thing, sagging on one end. Say for instance, if I had to put both batteries over on one side, and then you got these heavy woofers that weigh about 110 pounds a piece in there, in probably a 200-pound box. So I got almost 400 pounds of woofers and box going in this vehicle, and they hadn't started sagging yet, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna get into that. If you like this video, if you like any of my builds, all you gotta do is reach out to me. Leave me a message. You got a question you want to ask me about how I do certain things, I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. I'm BJ from the 478, and I greatly appreciate you tuning in. Till next time.